Oh, hey, good morning. Welcome back. On my way over to Huskie Bob's. He's got a birch tree that's dying in his front lawn there. So we're gonna fell it, buck it, split it, and stack it today. Come with. Should be a lot of fun. All right. Hey, morning, Bobby.
Morning.
What do you say, Ralph?
Morning, how are you?
Good, sir. Good. Got a great day for dropping trees.
Perfect day, no wind.
Perfect.
Yeah, you bet. What's on the agenda, Husky?
We're gonna go down here and look at this tree, and I've got the ropes already hanging from it because we don't want that tree sliding towards my boat shed.
Okay. Got.
And,
Oh, right. There it is down there.
Yep,
And here's the target, eh?
that's the target. See, the tree is starting to die at the top.
Yeah, I can
Last
see
summer,
that.
top died, and so I can't have that right here where everybody walks.
Right. Yeah, it makes sense. And that's a pretty big diameter,
It is.
especially for a birch. It's been around a while.
Yeah.
Excellent. Alrighty. So the plan is we're gonna try to anchor that tree to the right to make sure when it falls, it's gonna fall down straight into the middle.
Correct. That's what the rope is for, is to prevent it from going towards the boat shed.
Okay.
And then, yeah, but preferably if that boat or that tree can go straight down there. I'd also like it to miss my septic field.
Where's the septic?
Right here.
Oh, right here, the
You're
hump.
right, walking on it, yeah.
Okay, so here's the plan. Guy and Bob have given an expert read on that tree, and they think there's a high probability it's going to fall against Bobby's shed. So we're going to take that rope, we're going to put our skidding winch to use, and we're going to try to make sure that we help to direct it by attaching the winch or the cable to the rope. I'm going to make sure to leave the brake off of the ratchet so that it freewheels, and that should help us to guide it this way so that we miss the canoes. So hey, if I do this right, this tree should fall right towards the camera I placed at the other side of the property. Wish me luck.
money. Right on the money.
That's great.
Look at that, eh?
Yeah, she's rotted bad.
Yeah.
There's what she's looking like. That's mighty rotted. And look.
I could see that when you did your cut.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming up and pointing it out. I don't know why. It looked level to me till you pointed it to me.
Standing on a slope.
Yeah, and it's kind of towards where I wanted it to go. Nice. Oh, it's almost right on line. I don't know why. I just have a terrible time seeing level. Glad I got these guys with me. Either way, it's supposed to fall here, so I'm a couple feet out. The important thing, though, I missed the septic bed, and I missed the canoe shed. Let's buck it up. Even Bobby's loving the saw saver. Nice.
Shape that tree. Widowmakers.
Bobby, right to the ground?
Right to the ground.
Hey, before we start the video today, I just needed to take a minute to express my sincere gratitude to one of our longtime subscribers. It's from Philip. He lives in the land down under. I got home this week and I found a package at my front door. It's from Philip and his family, from Australia. He was out visiting his local Kubota dealer and he thought I might enjoy having a Kubota shirt from the land down under. And well, I do. It is a beautiful, beautiful golf shirt. And I wanted to thank you and your family so very much, Philip. Branded on the front, branded on the back, and complete with kangaroos. I love the shirt. And in fact, my wife Carol told me there's no chance she's going to let me wear it out in the forest and get it all dirty. So I'm going to put it with my golf attire in the closet. And when I'm out on the links this summer, I'll be thinking of you and your family. Thanks again. It's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous golf shirt, and I love it. Let's get back to the video. Cheers.
It's in my trailer.
That's a still, Bobby. That's a still.
I think I should have wore the t-shirt. It's getting hot quick. The black flies are biting. I had to tell you, it's my favorite days in the summer when one of these guys calls and says, "We got a mission tomorrow, are you in?" I'm always in. Oh, that was a lot of tree. Time to go split it up.